Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI-generated music, but we're adding a little twist. Recently, someone decided to share their less than friendly thoughts about AI on one of my posts. So I thought, why not turn this negativity into creativity? Let's create a personalized musical reply using Suno AI, shall we? Step 1. Open up Suno AI. For those of you unfamiliar, Suno AI is an incredible tool that uses artificial intelligence to compose music. Perfect for when you want to create something unique, or in this case, reply to some unfounded hostility. Step 2. Write the lyrics. In Suno AI, there is also an opportunity to auto-generate text, but let's make it more personal. And you will see, how can we add some extra information to the prompt? Step 3. Select your genre. Okay. No, I don't like it. Given our friend's background as a musician and dark black and white photos, let's go with something that Ellen might like. How about a bit of dubstep, trap and 808s with a hint of irony? Looks promising. Let's use the first part of it. Let's click extend and type the time code from where we want to extend and maybe add some variations. Step 4, let Suno do its magic. Hit generate, and in just a few moments we'll have our track. Step 5, review and refine. Listen to what Suno AI has created. If needed, make some tweaks or regenerates. When you like the generated piece and you need some more variations, click extend, and you may refine your prompt here again. Step 6, once you're happy with the result, export the track. Now we have a personalized AI-generated song ready to share. Step 7, to make our creation even more shareable, let's generate a video to accompany our AI-crafted song. We use LTX Studio, which allows us to create videos from a single sentence prompt. Step 8, let LTX Studio do its thing. In just a few moments, it will generate a video that complements our song. Step 9, share it with our friend. Upload the track and send it over. Who knows, maybe they'll appreciate the effort and realize that AI is here to enhance creativity, not replace it. And there you have it, turning negativity into creativity. Have a creative day.